Welcome to Engineering Scale Models. I'm Jason, your host, and I do models. Today we're taking a look at another part in our TTL Logic 74LS series. We're looking at the 74LS05. And like the LS04, it is a inverter. So the truth table is A, and then your output. So if you have a 0, it's a 1, and a 1, it's a 0. But this has open collectors on output, on the output. So you can drive more current through the, if you wanted to light multiple LEDs, it could drive more current than the chip could actually drive without the open collector circuit. So let us take a look at the data sheet here. If we look at our data sheet, we have, these are your inputs. Right here's a set of inputs. Here's a set of inputs. Here's a set of inputs. Here, here, here. So there's 6 inverters on this chip. One important thing to look at this, when formed correctly, the open collector outputs require a pull-up resistor. So on the Y outputs, you need to put a pull-up resistor on it. And that is, I'll show you that in the circuit diagram here. This is the LS05 chip, and as you can see, the collector is connected directly to ground, and then your output comes off of the emitter. So it's tied directly to ground. So if you look at it on the overhead here, meter again, if I turn on the power, the LED is lit, the blue LED is lit. If I press the button, it inverts the circuit. But I have a pull-up resistor on here. This is 10K. You don't need 10K, it's just what I grabbed. It works, it does dim the LED significantly, but I'm just using it on here. So if I pull out this pull-up resistor, it won't work anymore. It requires the pull-up resistor to work. Now this threw me through a loop. This threw me for a loop because I could not figure out why the circuit was not working. And it was due to the fact that it needed the pull-up resistor. So as you can see, it inverts the circuit. There's not a whole lot to this. It's just like the other one. If you look right here, this is how the inverter works. This is how the inverter works. But just on this one, you need to add a, and I don't think it's going to even let me do it. You need to add a pull-up resistor here, and if I try to connect that, it's probably not going to work. See, it needs that pull-up resistor, so as you can see, it's off and then it's on, so it has a pull-up resistor on there, so that's what it would look like in the circuit. So that is the 74LS05. It has that open collector so you can drive more current and all that good stuff. So that's going to do it for this video. Social media links, Patreon information, the links are in the description. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day.